In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Tag Manager on a Wix website. First off, it's important to ensure that your Wix site is premium and linked to a domain, as this integration requires both of these components. If your site meets these criteria here, you're ready to proceed. Begin by logging into your Wix account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard of the specific site you want to connect with Google Tag Manager. This is where all the magic happens, and having your site front and center will make the process easier. Next, you'll want to access marketing integrations. This is key, so follow these steps carefully. In your Wix dashboard, look at the navigation panel on the left side of the screen. You're going to click on Settings. Within the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Advanced section. Here, you'll see Marketing Integrations. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you've accessed the Marketing Integrations page, it's time to connect Google Tag Manager. On this page, search for the box labeled Google Tag Manager. Click on Connect. This will direct you to another page where you'll see the option to add Google Tag Manager. Click it. At this stage, you'll need your Google Tag Manager container ID. If you haven't set this up yet, you'll need to create a Google Tag Manager account and establish a web container specifically for your website. In your Google Tag Manager account interface, you can find your container ID. It typically begins with GTM. Be sure to copy this ID carefully, as precise input is crucial. Head back to Wix and paste this container ID into the designated field provided by Wix. After inputting your container ID, remember to save your changes. This step is crucial because it officially links your Wix site to Google Tag Manager. Never underestimate the importance of hitting that save button. Changes won't take effect until you do. Finally, while this step is optional, it is highly recommended. Verifying the installation ensures that everything is working as it should. For this, you will use Google Tag Manager's preview mode, along with the Tag Assistant browser extension. These tools allow you to see whether Google Tag Manager is firing correctly on your Wix site. And that's it! You have successfully installed Google Tag Manager on your Wix website. By following these steps, you now have a powerful tool at your fingertips, helping you manage and deploy marketing tags efficiently and effectively on your website. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop your queries in the comments below. Happy tagging!